The man turned his head and looked at his pregnant wife, but suddenly he noticed something strange. He quickly told her to sit quietly, but before she could react, an SUV coming from behind suddenly accelerated. The SUV came near their car and started to force them off the road. Fortunately, they managed to stop the car before losing control. Both were terrified by the SUV's advance, but luckily they were uninjured. After regaining their composure, they paid no attention and continued their journey. However, because the road was deserted, the man felt that his wife's health might deteriorate if he traveled too long. So, he suggested they rest for the night at a hotel. When the man went to check in at the reception, the motel owner started staring at his wife inappropriately. Then, he bluntly told the man that he found her body very attractive. The man said nothing to the owner's inappropriate comment as he had to travel 20 kilometers. It was the only motel in the area and he had only one goal at the moment, to give his wife some rest. So, the man was forced to stay there. His wife fell asleep early, exhausted from the day's accident in the long journey. But the man was hungry and couldn't sleep. So, he left a note for her and went out alone to find food. When he left the motel, he saw the motel owner sitting in a chair watching TV, occasionally checking his watch as if waiting for someone, but the man paid no attention and went for a drive alone. He went to a nearby restaurant, but they were all closed. Exhausted, he returned to the motel, but as he took out his keys to open the door, he discovered it was already open. Sensing something was wrong, he quickly turned on the lights, but his wife, who was sleeping on the bed, was gone. The man was terrified, knowing he couldn't go anywhere alone in such an unfamiliar place. He ran to the reception to ask for help.